G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Today's date's the 24th of the 2nd, 2016, and it's 9:01 in the morning. Now this bird bath has just paid for itself. Have a look at this beautiful thing having a bath. Last night was really hot. Stayed 30 degrees all night. It's currently 26 in my room. Oh, now that was really worth it. Now we'll go down to the lake in a minute. My name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.